maybe this will help you understand what I'm trying to explain. I have a lot of books in this template right here, like Goodreads library. Yeah. As you can see, it keeps going and going and going and going, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm not going to go all the way down because it's a bunch of books here that I have.
This is a reminder. Check TV guide.
I'm going to go all the way
This
up
is a
again
reminder.
now.
Check TV guide.
I have statuses as
This is a reminder. Check TV
read.
guide. This is a reminder. Reading time.
I have sort.
This is a reminder. Reading time. This is a reminder. Reading time.
Red.
This is a reminder.
Red shelf.
Ginger water.
I have books I've read.
This is a reminder. Ginger water.
I already have books.
This is a reminder.
Listed as
Ginger water.
Status is read.
This is a reminder.
I have
YouTube time.
2BR pile.
This is a reminder.
Right here.
YouTube time. This is a reminder. YouTube time.
To buy. I actually, here I'll just do create. I'll do something here. Go here. Status. I have my statuses right here, so it'll be got read, current reading, read, to read. 2BR. 2BR. And I would create want to buy or to be bought. Here we go. To be bought right here. I want to create. I want to create a template for each of reading, read, to read, and which would mean to BR pile. I want to combine. Blah. I want to have a separate template for to be read. Currently reading. To be read, to be bought, and my read book, and my read books. When I tried to do it, I have this link. Link to the page. Goodreads. Goodreads library right here. See, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to. I want to create a separate template for my read books, where only my read books would appear. And then I want to create another template where only my where only my I want to create I want to create a template where only my read books would appear. Like hold on, where is it again here? Red book, red. Red books. I have a. I've. Red shelf. I want to comp. I'll probably label it red shelf. So I would probably rename it red shelf, like I have it, and where all my books, where all the statuses I have is red, red shelf. A red book. A red here. Because here's the thing, it's like I only want, because I have a lot of books, and if I just search by red, if it has the word red, reading, and the book title, that will pop up. But I only want it to be searched by the status, or sort by the status, red, for my red template. I already have I have a TBR pile status right here, which will probably be my name to main to be R to be red template. I've already read that once, so I'm actually going to read that again. So keep that there. But anyways, I've have a lot of to be read books. I just simply want to have a separate template for that. Then I have a two. Then I have two. Then I have the two. I have to read. Uh, to read. Let's see if I have any to read. To read. Those the to be read status. I don't think I have anything of that to read status, but I do have a to read status. I might just delete that one. But since I have a lot of books in here, since I have a lot of books in here, and then I have to buy. Let me see. What was that again? To buy. See, if I just search by to buy, what was that? Tablet. What was that? To read. And would like to have. I have a status called next read, which I want to be able to combine the next read status with the to br read to read want to buy and to be bought. I would I would combine those two. I got to be bought and what to buy. To be bought. Well, what to read is mean. I'll probably either put want to read and to be or either to be bought. Alright. Let's see. Okay. To be bought. Yeah, I don't have a want to read. Want to read. Want to read. I don't have any. I would like when I create when I create when I create when I create like to be read TBR TBR or books to read books to read next book to read. I would like it to sync or take take the data take the data from my main Goodreads library database here or books to buy books to buy next book to buy or whatever I would call it. But anyways, I want my I want the I want the to be read book to be read template to be separate. I want the to be read template and the next book to read or next book to buy to be separate from my main Goodreads library because I have thousands of books in here. As you can see, thousands of books in here. It'll take forever for me to go through every single one of them. And I would like the to be read and the next book to read template, the next book to buy template to be able to randomly pick a book for me to either read next or to buy next. Because it's hard for me to choose which book to read next. When I have so many books to read, when I have a lot of books to read, and I have a lot of books that I want to buy later, but I can only buy a certain amount. I've only decided to myself I was only gonna buy. I decided myself I was gonna only read two. I have to read two books before I buy two books. So I'm currently reading my second book right at this moment, which is this book right here, King, King of Mavericks. I think that's how it's spelled. King of Hearts. I think it is actually King of Hearts. Let me see, which book is it again? I'm reading. King of Mavericks. Actually, I have it right here. I'll show ya. This is King of Hearts. This is the book I'm reading currently right here. King of Hearts. I was correct. King of Hearts. What is it called again? King of Hearts. Yeah, that's it. King of Hearts. That's why it's not showing. King of Heart. I do have. This is the book I'm currently reading right now. I want to do something like I have right here. I want to do something like I have right here on my home page, but I want to make a symbol. I want to make these. I want to make these things like right here. The reading, last read, next read, by, next. A separate template. Here, here I've linked this Goodreads library tracker to my to my Goodreads 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 as you can see here, if I searched, see I have King of Hearts right here. It's Goodreads library tracker reading right here. The next book I have set. The last book I read was this book, The Great Crash in 1920. Last read. I want to. I want to create. I want to make these. 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 A separate template. Because they're already linked. It's already linked to my Goodreads library. And then here, next, I got my last red book right here. The Great Crash of 1929. The Great Crash of 1929. The Great Crash of 1929. See how it links to it's right here. The last read. The Goodreads library tracker. And right here, it's linked here. Last read, Goodreads library tracker. Right here, I'm gonna put that as red because I've already read that. That should be red because I've already read that book. Red shelf. See right here, it's linked to that one. Regardless of what you think of my books, anyways. But here, next read, just do here. Just an example, I have this book right here. Just link to my for my next read. Right here, and if I search, well, it shows you it's already here, linked. Final battle. Final final battle. Right here, next read. It's linked. And I have another book, another status. Where is it again? Where is it? Right here. To buy. Buy next. Right here. I want these to be a separate template. I'm not sure how to turn a separate page instead of one whole. I would like to keep this here as at my home page, but I would like to keep I would like to keep I would like to keep this this tracker on my home page. I like how it is right here, but I would like to turn these 1, 2, 3, 4 into separate templates because they're already linked to my main Goodreads library right here. And if you see, I'll click on to buy. I'll click on the to buy next. But one of them to buy next. Right here, it's linked already to. It's linked here. If I have it listed as save for later on Amazon. Then here I'll show you the Big Brother. I'll search that. I'll search that here, Big Brother. Right here, it's shown as it's linked to Goodreads. So if I clicked on buy next, and then I have other books right here too. So like, I already have a database linked. I already have a database linked to. I already have a separate database linked to my book data. link to my Goodreads library template. But I want to be able, I like to keep this on my homepage, but I would like to have a separate template for each status: reading, last read, next read, and buy. That is still linked to my main Goodreads library page, because I have thousands of books in here that it will take me forever to go through. And what I would like to be able to do with next with next read and buy next is for that for it to be randomly chosen, for it to randomly pick a book for me to read or buy next. So the thing is, I don't know exactly how to do that. Like, well, I click here, the empty page, link, link page, Goodreads library. See right here. That's how it pops up. It's like I don't know how to do that. The template. I'm not. I'm not that advanced with. 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 Creating templates from scratch. So that's kind of what I was trying to ask. It's like I've already linked my data, my Goodreads data. I've already linked my Goodreads data here on my homepage. But what I'm trying to explain is I want to be able to have a separate template page like I have here, but I want to have a separate template page. I want to have a separate template page for each each stat for each status that I'm currently of the book. I already have, like right here. I'm reading this book right here. Last book I read was this book. Next read will be this book, and or at least that's what I put out. But I'm gonna actually, well, yeah, the next book I read will be this book. Uh, I plan I'm gonna actually. I will probably change that because I have another book I want to read before this one. So, but anyways, that's the thing. It's like that's what I was trying to explain. Hoping, I hope maybe this will might explain it better for you to understand what I was trying to say.